how to scan multiple documents and save it as a single PDF file on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Now to use this feature, I'm going to use a shortcut from Google Drive. So Google Drive have one function allowing you to scan multiple documents. To do that, first tap on the home button and go back to your home screen. Now on your phone, make sure Google Drive has already been installed. Now by default, you should have Google Drive installed on your device. But if you have already deleted, then make sure you reinstall Google Drive on your phone and then sign in. After that, on your home screen, touch and hold, then tap on Widgets, and then we scroll down and tap on Drive, then tap on Drive Scan, and then tap on Add, and then choose the folder that your scanned documents will be saved to. So here I have created a folder called Scanned Documents. Now you can also tap on the Add button here and create your own folder. Alright, so I'm going to select Scanned Documents and then tap on Select. And here you can see I have created a new shortcut on my home screen. I'm just going to drag it to a different place to make it easier to view. So here I'm going to place it right here. So if I want to quickly scan for a document, I can just tap on that shortcut. That will open up the camera ready for me to capture. So now we point the camera at a document, and here it says scan, so hold steady. Alright, once the camera has detected a document, you want to tap on the Add button to continue with the scan. So you can use manual method or auto scan, and you want to make sure your document is within that blue rectangle. So here, point your phone and have it like that, and you can see the camera, the app is quite smart. It's automatically changed the perspective of the picture as well for you. Now in here you can also choose the crop button. You can see here it automatically adjusts your image based on the angle, and you can rotate the image if it's in the wrong orientation, and then tap on the back key. I will discard that. You can also apply filter, so you can choose auto to enhance the color, or you can apply your own custom color. You can choose grayscale in black and white, and you can choose whether to turn on or turn off shadows. Then tap on applied. Now you need to apply each of the filter for each of the page. Now once you are finished, if you want to continue, you can tap on the Add button to continue scanning. So here I can scan the back of this as well. And that is the back of the box. And then once you're happy, just tap on the Done button. And then tap on Saved. And that's it. So the file has now been saved to that folder. So if I go to File Manager, I'll go open up a different file manager. I'll open up the Samsung File Manager, My Files, and then in My Files, I go down to Internal Storage, and then Documents. So I think it will be saved in Google Drive. So we're going to Google Drive instead. So Google Drive. Now you need to sign into your Google Drive. Okay, so in my Google Drive here, I'll go down to Scan Documents, and in here, that is the documents I have just scanned, and it is a PDF file. It is uploaded to Google Drive. If you need to download it, you can download it to your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.